How to create Twitter account? For that, you have to install Twitter app, then open the Twitter application on your device. So now the Twitter app has been changed to X app, so you have to know about that. Now you can continue with Google or you can also create account. You can tap on create account button. Now you have to select your language. If you want to skip, you can tap on bottom left corner skip for now or tap on the language and now tap on next button. You have to enter your credential here, your name, email and date of birth. Now you need to tap on next button. Here you have to authenticate your account. For that you need to tap on authenticate button. On this page you have to use the arrows to change the number of objects until it matches the left image. Once you have authenticated your account, now you have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Once you have entered the code, now you have to add a phone number. So once you have entered your verification code that has been sent to your email, then you have to enter your number. And once you have verified your number as well, you have to enter the password. Then you can customize your profile. Then you can easily create account on X or Twitter. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.